I really stuffed those in. I was getting my money's worth. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Christmas with Mr. Carrington. I'm back with a really exciting video today. Today I'm going to be doing some DIY gifts with you. So we're going to be doing some baking, we're going to be doing some making and creating some fabulous gifts for friends and family. And this is a really exciting video because this video is sponsored by Wilko. You guys know how much I love Wilko. I'm a big fan of that shop. They've always got some really great stuff in store and their prices I think you just can't beat. So everything that I'm going to be using in today's gift DIYs is from Wilko. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring the video. If you're new here, do click subscribe and don't forget to give the video a little thumbs up. And at the end of the video, let me know in the comments which of the DIY gift ideas was your favourite. So pour yourself something festive, get comfortable and let's get cracking with the DIYs. So for the gingerbread biscuits, I'll link the recipe in the description box, but you simply combine the butter, golden syrup and light brown sugar in a pan and stir that on a low heat until all the sugar has dissolved. Then you add the flour, the bicarbonate of soda and the ginger into a mixing bowl. Make a well and then add the sugar mixture, giving it a good stir until it forms a dough. Then you want to pop that in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. So now that the dough has chilled, you lay it between 2 sheets of baking paper. And you want to keep rolling this out until it's the thickness of a £1 coin. Then I'm going to use some cookie cutters that I already had in my kitchen to cut out some shapes. And then simply lay them onto a baking tray lined with more baking parchment. And then we're going to put them into the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. So when they come out of the oven, they will be soft, but you allow them to cool and then they go nice and firm. And then you can ice them however you wish. So let's start adding some designs. This is the fun part. And now that they're all iced, I'm going to add them into one of these mason jars that have the chalkboard lid on them. And I'm going to add some paper from one of Wilko's Hamper accessory packs. Then I'm going to place the biscuits inside. Also in the Hamper kit you get these bows whereby you just locate the tails and then pull on them. Which creates this bow. And it also comes with a gift tag. You could also personalise it by adding the recipient's name on the top in some chalk. For this one you're going to need one of these glass jars with a clip lid, some of these extra long matches and some cinnamon sticks. So we're going to start off by filling up the jar with our matches. Just put enough in so they create this nice shape like that. And then you want to carefully cut along the striker part of the matchbox. And then we're just going to add some glue to that. And then we're just going to glue that along the side, holding that firmly in place while it dries. And onto the lid I'm going to attach some of these decorative berries. And a cinnamon stick. And there we go. They have these DIY hamper kits in store, so I thought we'd put together our own hamper. So the idea I've got is for somebody who loves maybe like a nice hot drink. They have some really affordable little gifts in store. I picked up these coffee syrups for $3.99. You get 4 in a pack. So I'm going to add those in, along with some chocolates. They've got loads to choose from. I've gone for some classic Lindt ones and my favourite, the Santa. I managed to find him. He had gone missing. And then I picked up this embossed mug, which was really good value. I think this was under £2. I think adding a little decoration's a really nice touch, and this one was only £1, again in the 3 for 2 range. And it wouldn't be Christmas without some chocolate coins, and Wilko have them for just 50p. So we'll throw in a few of those as well. I'm sure you'll do a better job than me. They've all gone straight to the bottom. Time for our favourite part, which is to add the bow. So you just pull the 2 tabs inside. And I think for this one, I'm going to tie it onto one of the coffee syrups at the top there. So there we go, and of course you could swap out some of the chocolates or maybe use different gifts. There's a great range in store. So for this one, I'm using one of these 1 litre glass preserve jars and also one of the large cups of pick and mix. The pick and mix at Wilko is such good value and it's often half price. So this one is so simple. All you need to do is give the jar a good wash and then fill it up with the sweets. I've gone for some red and white ones because I thought they'd look a little bit more festive. And then using a blob of hot glue, I'm going to attach this little chap to the lid. I'm just going to unscrew the string that's attached to his head first. And I'm just going to finish it with some of this red and white twine. So I've just put a tiny blob of hot glue on the front, and then leaving some excess, I'm going to wrap this all the way around the lid. And then just knock that off at the front and tie a double knot and then a bow. And there we go, we have our sweet jar guarded by Mr. Polar Bear. For this one, I'm using this ultra soft throw, which was only £3. Along with some of these pom-pom tree decorations, these are only £1 and are currently on offer 3 for 2. So then we're going to take the shorter end of the throw and then just fold it in half and then half again, and this will give us some ideas of where to place our pom-poms. You can pop a pin in if you'd like, but I'm just going to eyeball it. And then all you need to do is start sticking your pom-poms on in their desired places. So cut them off their strings using a pair of scissors, and then I'm going to attach them using some hot glue, but you could of course sew them if you want to. You can then flip it over and then continue gluing them on at the creases that you created. And remember to alternate the colours as you go. Repeat those steps on the other side, and then once those are dried you can roll it up, and I'm going to finish it off with some of this pom-pom ribbon that I picked up for only £2. Again, this is in the 3 for 2, and I'm just going to tie this around it. And there we go. I really hope you enjoyed these DIY gift ideas. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite, and if you have a go at making any of these, don't forget to tag me over on Instagram so I can share what you've come up with. My main account is Mr. Carrington, and then I've got my home account as well, which is Mr. Carrington Home. I'll leave Wilko's website in the description box for you so you can go and check them out for lots more affordable inspiration for this Christmas. And thank you so much to Wilko's for sponsoring this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Maybe I left it in the fridge too long. What is wrong with me? Ah.